Over the years, Steamax has gradually become a synonym for biomass. When industries look to transition away from fossil fuel and shift towards clean biomass fuel, Steamax comes first to their mind. And what drives our team is the commitment to bring forward innovative solutions that are scalable to bring meaningful changes in the industry as well as our environment. Our approach goes beyond retrofitting. We focus on turnkey solutions. So whenever any industry shifts from any fossil fuel such as oil, gas, coal, etc. to biomass, they don't just need a technology to shift from fossil to biomass, but they're also looking for fuel supply as well as skilled professionals to manage their systems on biomass. And that's why we offer a comprehensive solution where we provide them with the technology, we take care of the all installation and erection, as well as we manage their fuel supply and provide workforce to manage their systems on biomass. We believe in being true partners to our customers. We don't just see ourselves as technology provider or fuel provider. We see ourselves as enabler of the transformation. With the rise of stricter environmental regulations, we have expanded ourselves into air pollution control devices such as cyclone, back filters, wet scrubbers, as well as ESPs. At Steamax, we are not just enabling the transformation of industries from fossil fuel to green fuel, but we are changing the energy landscape in India. As we look to the future, we will continue to innovate and bring forward more solutions that will help industries to reduce their carbon emissions as well as reduce their fuel cost.